Assalamualaikum students, it's literature lesson and we will study second chapter of The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. As you know, this novel is first book of Chronicles of Narnia. You have read first chapter, that is Lucy looks into a wardrobe. First, the objectives of this lesson. By the end, students will be able to describe the interesting situation in the novel, explain the main idea, and answer the questions. Students, you can see in the pics Lucy and Temnus. In the next pic, you can see Lucy, Susan, Edmund, and Peter. You are well aware of these characters. You have read about them in the first chapter. What we will see what was happened in the first chapter. Main characters of the novel are four siblings who have been sent to the country to escape the air raids of the World War II. They stay with Professor Crick. Their names are Peter, Susan, Edmund, and Lucy. Fawn is a figure who is half human and half goat. First chapter established the characters of each character by their thinking and by exchange of conversation. Peter talks about eagles. Lucy talks about stags, badgers who are faithful and friendly. Edmund talks about foxes who are sly and untrustworthy, and Susan talks about rabbits who are shy and sweet. This exchange is powerful prediction of each child's personality. In this chapter, we also see that Lucy goes into the wardrobe and enters into a wonderland, meets Fawn, who is embarrassed to see Lucy. When he recovers from his scare, the second chapter starts. Now we will have a quick review of the second chapter. Temnus recovers from his scare and invites Lucy to have tea with her. The scene between Temnus and Lucy in a snowy wood with tea and music is the most interesting scene. The land of Narnia is populated with figures from ancient legends as well as talking animals. Though Fawn does not disclose his terror about witch, his body language and gestures are enough to assume what is the witch like. Lucy has a delightful tea with Temnus and listens beautiful music. Lucy becomes aware of helplessness and cruelty of the helplessness is of the figures living in land of Narnia, and cruelty is the behavior of witch, who has ordered her servants to catch any human he can find. Temnus releases Lucy and she goes back to Lamppost, which is borderline between Narnia and the wardrobe.